Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I like to do all things homemaking, especially cooking and decorating. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Valentine's Day home tour for 2026. This is the season of all things pink, red, and cozy. I hope you're staying warm this season. I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to begin the tour in our entryway here. This year I decided to use more pinks and pastel tones and less of the reds. We are having snow and ice here. It has started to melt, and because of that we decided to leave 3 of our trees up because we like having the snow through the window with the Christmas trees up, and we just decorated them for Valentine's Day. Here in Georgia, a lot of times we don't get snow at Christmas, we get it after Christmas. So here we're entering the powder room. I went a little more simple with my decor this year. The only thing new I bought were some paper heart doilies and some ribbon that I put on our main tree. Here I just added a paper doily to this cloche. And then I switched out the picture on the wall here. And now we're entering our living room off the entryway. This is the smaller tree that we bought this past Christmas. I just added some paper heart doilies to it and some paper garland that I had made. And then just a few touches of pink in different parts of the room. And here we are entering the dining room. Once again, I just kind of kept it simple. I've got 2 layered vintage tablecloths on the table. I used my Valentine cardstock houses in my cabinet here. And then I just added some candlesticks and this planter on top with some daffodils in it. And here I just added this post box with some roses and greenery to the shutters. And then over here above the buffet I have my garland hanging from the mirror. And I have my 3-tiered tray that I decorated for Valentine's Day. And now we're entering the kitchen. This is our drink area. I like decorating that little tiered tray with each season. And then up on top of the fridge, I just have some greenery and a Valentine's Day picture. And of course I've got my new calendar on the wall and some flowers. And here at our kitchen table, I decided to go with a neutral tablecloth that I just added this runner to. This is where we eat most of our meals. So just have some paper heart doilies hanging from the rod here. And then my faux cake in the middle with some white and pink plates. Just something simple with cheerful colors. I decided to add some blue in with my Valentine decor this year. And I also decided to decorate the tops of my cabinets with my white dishes and just kind of mix in some pastel colors to kind of break up the white. And that can carry into spring also. And now we're entering into our family room where we spend most of our time. So I just added some candlesticks here. I've got my paper garland going across the mantle and just some pastel flowers in a vase there. And then with our main tree, I just wrapped a fur blanket around the bottom to hide the Christmas tree collar. And I added some blue and white printed ribbon to the tree and some white paper doilies. And then I have icicles hanging from some of the branches. And then I just added some pink velvet pillows to the love seat and couch. And I have a heart-shaped pillow that I got from Marshall's a few years ago. And then I added this pastel and red painting to the buffet over here, just to tie in more of the Valentine colors. This is the final room on my Valentine's Day tour. This is the master bedroom. This is the bed we bought ourselves for Christmas this year. I've got 3 pictures of me and my husband above the bed. I've got a pastel colored quilt on the bed. Didn't do a whole lot in here because I already have pinks in my quilt. And so I just added some rose garland to the Christmas tree over there and a heart pillow to the chair. And this is 2 6-foot garland that I wrapped around it. And then on the dresser over here, I've got some pictures of us and a sign hanging on the wall, and then 2 more of the candles that are battery operated. And this is the overview of the room. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you had a great holiday and you're having a wonderful start to your new year. I really appreciate you being here. Happy Valentine's Day. See you soon. Bye.